Boozhoo, Niman Wayne de Momapia Shayeg. This is week 19 of our HomeLink second step curriculum. And in week 19, we're going to be talking about fair ways to play. So in our second step curriculum, the teachers have a bunch of different resources like a CD for songs and posters and puppets. So one of the things they'll be using this week is this poster called Fair Ways to Play. So they're going to teach the children to play. They can play together, they can trade, or they can take turns. So there's a little version of this in your HomeLink page, so you can talk about that. And knowing how to play fairly helps your child make friends at school and at home. So one of the things you can do at home is you can say, we're going to play a game called My Turn, Your Turn. And let's say you decide to make cookies. Okay, I'm going to stir the batter 5 times. And then you ask me, may I have a turn, please? So you stir 5 times. And then you say to your child, now ask me, can I have a turn, please? And then it'll be their turn. Now, one thing about, baking together or cooking together, they learn so much because they're learning how to take turns. They're learning math with the measuring and the stirring and the counting, science from a liquid to a solid. They're just learning so much. So I think if you can maybe make cookies or bread or something like that or a cake, that'd be awesome. And then the page that the teachers are going to be doing at school this week is a little boy named Tim and a little girl named Cara. And first you ask your child, what do you see in this page? How do you think Tim is feeling? Why do you think he's feeling that way? Because Cara's not sharing. What's something Tim and Cara could do? Tim could say, how about you take a turn and then I take a turn? Now teaching them those skills, giving them the words once again to be able to take turns doing this. Because there's only one cash register and that happens in classrooms. We don't have 17 of everything or 5 of everything or, sometimes there's just one item. And if it's brand new, everybody wants it. So, and we'll set red timers at school. Okay, you can have 5 minutes and then it's their turn. But giving them the words to talk about it and say, can I have a turn? So that is week 19 already. Fair ways to play. So, and once again, I just want to remind you, we have like a library of books that you can, check out and that have a whole bunch of different things that you can read to your children on social emotional skills. So hope it's helping. I hope you have a great week and we'll see you next time. Gigawabamin. Mig witch bizendawieg.